How to crochet a border. You can see this border, row 1 all the way double crochet. Then in the next row we can start crochet a border, chain 2 and yarn over, and this double crochet from the front. Again yarn over, double crochet from the front. Next one, yarn over, double crochet from the back. You can see here, little bit hard this one. Hold like that and bring the yarn through. That's it. 2 double crochet from the front, 1 from the back. Have a look again. Double crochet from the front, double crochet from the front. Next one, double crochet from the back. Now we will put the hook through from the back side, and then we go again to the back and hold here and bring the yarn through. It's a bit hard. Go again, hold here, it's easy when you get used to. Double crochet from the front, 2 double crochet from the front, double crochet, 1 double crochet from the back. Again double crochet from the front, and I will see this one border here. I will finish the whole row. The row is finished and the border looks like that. And now we turn the work, and on the back side this one looks like that. And how we do the back side, this side 2 from the front, so this one 2 from the back, and 1 2 chains, and the next one is from the back. So hold this yarn like that and bring through, pull through 2, pull through 2. Next one, 1 from the front, next one now 2 from the back, So have a look. This one from the back side looks like that, and from the front side this one looks like that. So this is a beautiful border for any project. Thanks for watching.